In this video, I will show you how to list your property on Booking.com. So this can be a hotel or an apartment or really anything else that you can do on Booking.com. So first, to do this, just go to Booking.com and sign into or create your account. Now once you're signed in, go and click on List Your Property in the top right. From there you can register for free, so simply click Get Started Now. And then here, create your partner account. So create an account to list and manage your property, so just select which email address you want to use, and then enter your first and last name and phone number. Then once you click next, go ahead and enter your password and confirm it, and then click create account. So now you have created your Booking.com hosting account. From here, choose if you want to list an apartment, home, hotel, B&B, and any of these other things, or a nature stay, for example, boats, campsites, cabins, etc. For this example, I'll choose an apartment, so go and click on List Your Property on whichever one it is for you. Then they will ask, in this case, how many apartments are you listing? I'll select one. Then one apartment where guests can book the entire place. Does this sound like your property? I'll say continue. Then, if your property is listed on Airbnb, you can speed up registration by importing it directly to Booking.com. Now for me it actually is, so I'll select Airbnb right there, and then you just have to paste in the link to your Airbnb listing, although if it's not, you can just go ahead and continue and do it manually. Now if it's not listed anywhere else, just enter the property name and other details here, and enter your address. Now you can also connect to a channel manager if you have one. I'll say no, I won't be using a channel manager at this time. Then for the property details, where can people sleep? So bedroom, living room, other spaces, then how many guests can stay, how many bathrooms are there, and just enter all of this other stuff. Then what can guests use at your place? So for example, air conditioning, heating, Wi-Fi, etc. So just go through the property setup right here. Then they will ask you to upload some photos of your place. Then click continue. And then how you receive bookings. So how can guests book your apartment? All guests can book instantly or they need to request. Then how can they pay? And then you can go and set a price. So how much do you want to charge per night? Then click continue. And again continue. Now of course you can change anything that you want to change, but I'll just go through it quite quickly. And then finally click open for bookings. And now it will say you're almost there. And now it's going to check all the details. And then you will see it has now been listed. Now from there you can see they will check on your property to see if everything looks good. And that is basically how you can get your property listed on Booking.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.